I'm using a 12mm size eyelash and a hypoallergenic eyelash glue, which is good for all skin types. And I make sure that I sterilize everything, and especially for the eyelash tweezer that I'm using. Normally I start from the right side because it's more easier for me to put, and I start from the center part and just put a thin layer amount of glue and attach it near or close to the eyelash line. And here from the left side, well, it takes time for me because it's too hard for me, but just fill it up all and check everything, fill all the gaps. And I actually put underline also, so it will be very full. So it usually lasts for 3 weeks if you know how to take care of it. And here we are for a bigger, fuller eyes. Yes, if you want to have bigger, fuller eyes, just PM me.